Why is my dog barking? Understanding dog communication. Ever wondered why your dog barks at the mailman but ignores other strangers? Or why your furry friend barks excessively when you're about to leave the house? Barking is more than just noise. It's your dog's way of talking to the world. But what exactly are they trying to say? Let's dive into the fascinating world of canine communication to understand the reasons behind your dog's barking and how to address it effectively. The basics of barking, a dog's vocal expression. Barking is a natural behavior for dogs, serving as their primary vocal expression. From warning you about potential threats to expressing excitement, barking can mean a variety of things. Understanding the context in which your dog barks can help decode their messages. For instance, a series of quick, high-pitched barks might indicate excitement, while a deep, prolonged bark often signals alarm or suspicion. Dogs also bark as a response to stimuli in their environment. Whether it's a sudden sound or the sight of another animal, barking is often their instinctive reaction. Recognizing these triggers is key to understanding and managing their behavior. Barking as a form of alert. One of the most common reasons dogs bark is to alert their owners. It's their way of saying, "Something's not right." This behavior stems from their ancestral instincts to guard their pack. For example, if someone approaches your home, your dog might bark to let you know someone is near. However, excessive alert barking can become a nuisance. Training your dog to distinguish between real threats and everyday occurrences, like a passing car, can help manage this behavior. Using positive reinforcement to reward calm behavior is an effective strategy. Barking for attention. Dogs often bark to get attention from their owners. Whether they're hungry, bored, or just want to play, barking is their way of saying, "Notice me." If your dog is barking excessively for attention, it might be a sign that they need more mental or physical stimulation. Interactive toys, regular exercise, and dedicated playtime can help curb this type of barking. Ignoring attention-seeking barking while rewarding quiet behavior can also teach your dog to communicate in a more appropriate way. Separation, anxiety, and excessive barking. If your dog barks when left alone, it could be a sign of separation anxiety. This condition affects many dogs and is often accompanied by other behaviors like pacing, destructive chewing, or house soiling. Barking in this context is your dog's way of expressing distress. Addressing separation anxiety requires patience and consistency. Gradual desensitization to your departures, creating a comforting environment, and consulting a professional trainer or veterinarian can all help manage this behavior. Fear and barking, a defensive mechanism. Fear-induced barking occurs when a dog perceives a threat. This could be triggered by loud noises, unfamiliar people, or other animals. Fearful barking is often accompanied by body language, such as a tucked tail, flattened ears, or cowering. To help your dog overcome fear-based barking, focus on building their confidence. Positive reinforcement training and gradual exposure to the fear-inducing stimulus in a controlled setting can reduce their anxiety over time. Territorial barking, defending their space. Territorial barking happens when a dog feels the need to protect their domain. This is often directed at strangers or unfamiliar animals approaching their home. While this behavior is instinctive, excessive territorial barking can be managed through training. Teaching your dog commands like quiet and reinforcing calm behavior can help control territorial barking. Blocking their view of triggers, such as closing curtains or using privacy fences, can also minimize their reaction. Excitement and play-induced barking. Barking out of excitement is common during playtime or when a favorite person arrives home. This type of barking is generally accompanied by wagging tails and a playful demeanor. While it's a positive expression, it can become excessive. Encouraging your dog to remain calm during exciting moments, such as by practicing sit and stay commands, can help manage their barking. Rewarding quiet behavior reinforces this training. Barking due to health issues. Sometimes barking may indicate an underlying health issue. Dogs in pain or discomfort might bark excessively as a way to seek help. Older dogs, in particular, may bark more due to cognitive decline or sensory impairments. training your dog to bark less. Training is crucial in managing excessive barking. Teaching commands like speak and quiet allows you to control when your dog barks. Consistency, positive reinforcement, and patience are key to successful training. Conclusion: listening to your dog's voice. Barking is your dog's way of communicating their needs, feelings, and observations. Do you have a barking story to share or tips on managing it? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more pet care insights.